Yo guys, I'm back with the tutorial about how to submit a plugin into godot as a library. But actually, you don't need to. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm just gonna edit the asset library for my plugin. Okay, here you go. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, just small notes about the godot as a library. So this is the description, this is the name, this is the category, this is my license type. My repository host is GitHub, and repository URL is just basically the URL that it's simply there. And issue URL is issue URL. You go to issue, and that's the URL. Godot version, the asset version, it's gonna be updated to this. Download and commit URL. So for the commit URL, you just need to go to commits and pick the latest one and copy that and paste that here. For the icon, please make sure to add the icon with, let me actually uh, okay, so make sure to open the image in another tab and copy that, because you need to copy the raw GitHub user content and paste it here. You can, I don't know, paste image and maybe things, I don't know, you can do that probably. Yeah, um yeah, that's about it.